First compositions were some songs from my first album entitled Lover of Nature. Lover of Nature actually is the meaning of my name, Tavon, in Hebrew. So when my parents named me that, they got lucky, but they were right. Because I love nature, very natural. And the first song was called Never Been, because at the time when I wrote it, I had very limited experience to what was happening around the world, my travels and cultures. So I was wide-eyed and I was experiencing so much, and it was a lot to take in. So it became one of those things that, never been there. So I wrote a song outlining that experience. The next one is related to that. It's called Translated, because I realized that you could really understand what people were saying, even if you didn't understand what they were saying through that energy. Translated. But it's my pleasure to introduce these beautiful strings here. I wrote for a 26-piece string orchestra for my most recent record entitled Spirit Garden. It's all on the social medias and everything, on the platforms. And this song is a ballad that kind of represents my youth and how I grew up, and some of the core concepts that my family instilled in me. And so this is a Bible verse. It's entitled Galatians 5:22.